Have you ever wondered why our bones sometimes make cracking sounds? Why do these joints pop and crack? Well, there are joints between our bones, and these joints are filled with a thick, sticky liquid called synovial fluid. This fluid helps keep our bones moving smoothly, maintains flexibility, and prevents the bones from rubbing against each other. But what happens is when we do physical activities or stretch our bones, the fluid between the joints also gets stretched, and this causes air bubbles to form in the fluid. When these bubbles form and burst, it makes a popping or cracking sound. Some people think that cracking knuckles can cause arthritis or weaken the bones,